Hi, I'm Sasha Segan from PCMag.com, here with the new 8th generation iPad. Now, the 8th gen iPad looks almost exactly like the 7th gen iPad. You have the same 10.2-inch screen, same big bezels, same Touch ID home button, same lightning port, speakers along the bottom, not dual speakers. It is almost exactly the same size and same weight, same smart keyboard attachment. I'll show you more of that in a minute. So is there anything different about this? Oh, same camera, same camera. Is there anything different about this? Yes, the one big change between the 7th gen iPad and the 8th gen iPad is that we've gone from an A10 processor to an A12 processor. And that's a lot more performance. If your old iPad was feeling sluggish in any way, now, just digression, you probably don't need to upgrade an iPad that's less than about 3 years old. But if your old iPad was feeling sluggish in any way, this new iPad is absolutely going to scream. And now I loaded various games and productivity applications on here. As you can see, it plays games from Apple Arcade just gorgeously. So I loaded up various games from Apple Arcade, and they all play gorgeously, very smooth, very fluid. And I did some sketching with this 1st gen Apple Pencil. Now, just like the 7th gen iPad, the 8th gen iPad works with the $99 cylindrical 1st gen Apple Pencil. This is the one with the weird little lightning port on the top where you charge it by plugging its end into the iPad like that. Now, this is possibly the most awkward charging situation I have ever seen in the world. The 2nd gen Pencil is much better. And I'll get to various things about possibly what you should get rather than this iPad in a minute. So it works with the pencil. It works fine with the pencil. It's a slightly awkward pencil. It's a very cylindrical pencil, so it will roll off your table if your table is slanted at all. And it works with this nice snap-on smart keyboard. The smart keyboard is a lot better than your standard Bluetooth keyboard because it uses the physical pop ports on the iPad so that the connection is perfect. There's no lag, there's no delay, there are no pairing issues, and the keys are really nice. If you want to turn this $329, $299 for students' iPad into a little laptop, this is a really great keyboard to do it. However, the keyboard's expensive. It's $159. So you may be thinking, this is so much like the 7th gen iPad. Why just bump the processor and put this out there? The answer is price. The answer is they're keeping the iPad to $300 for students because they're thinking of this as a product for all of the students out there who are doing remote learning right now. And most of those kids are considering getting Chromebooks, or maybe they have a Chromebook from their school. And the average price for a decent Chromebook right now is around $400. So Apple needed to come up with a tablet solution that came out to about $400, ideally with a keyboard. And this is what they've got. And you know what? Like, I'm mocking it a little because I am an extremely jaded tech reporter, and I've seen every iPad ever. But this is still a really powerful product for $300. That A12 processor, it screams. This is a really nice high-res screen. There are a lot more apps designed for the iPad than there are designed to work well on a Chromebook. Let me tell you that. And when it's in the keyboard's gorgeous, and you can get less expensive keyboards. There's a Logitech keyboard for $49 that you can get for this. It's a Bluetooth keyboard. The iPad fits in a little slot. It's just fine. So now, I am going to review this. This is not my full review. Don't go down in the comments claiming this is a review. I've just had a few hours with this. It's just a hands-on. I'm giving you my initial impressions. I'm going to spend some time reviewing this, but I'm also really looking forward to the $599 iPad Air, because that has a lot of the additional features that I wanted on an iPad this year. It has USB-C, it has better cameras, it has smaller bezels, it uses the 2nd gen pencil, which won't roll off your table. So the iPad Air looks like more of a buy for people who can obviously afford a little more and want a more advanced primary tablet computing system. But this little guy, for $300 for remote schooling, looks so far like a terrific product. My full review is not up on PCMag.com yet. This is just a hands-on. This is just my first thoughts from the first day. Keep an eye out for the full review on PCMag.com in the future, and I'll tell you what I think of the 8th gen iPad after I'm done reviewing it. Thanks a lot for watching.